What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my group. Welcome to the Wild Goat FX server. If you're new here, there's a few things I would like to mention. This is a trading group where we do live day trading from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do get on calls sometimes early. You can join me for early sessions. I will be on call. But that's for me just back testing my strategy to see if the day is good, so I know we should be trading or not be trading that day. Um, so anyways, let's get into it. I would just like to recommend for newcomers, you can use a normal trading account. FTMO or Hugo's Way, that's a nice broker to use. I know there's other Forex brokers for MT4, but Hugo's Way is a highly recommended one by me. It's been working for like 3 years. I know they're not. I would say I don't. Never mind. Scratch that. But anyways, for everyone new here and not wanting to spend their own money on going Forex, and if this is just something you want to try for your 15 bucks a month or whatever you got in for 35 bucks a month. I know Friday, June 2nd was the last day to join for 15 bucks a month, but now it's 35 bucks a month. So for the better way to go about it when trading, and you don't want to risk your own money, here's a great website for you guys. It's called My Forex Funds. It's this link right here. So what you do is you just go register now, and for the account you're looking for, these accounts are like you pay for a whole account, okay? And rapid account, that's something weird. So the evolution right here is what you want. There is a challenge we have to go through. You can't do 5%, can't do 12% drawdown, whatever. Minimum 5 days traded, 8% profit, target phase 1, 5%. So in those 5 days, the reason I like this, you get 85% of your profits back. So after you complete phase 1, phase 2, you get those profits back. Now for the for the challenges, okay, if you're in the Discord, in the live groups, you can pass the challenge. See, we did in 5 days here on this account. The profit target was 5,000, drawdown 2,500. So that was all done. Good to go. We had a few other members do it. Let's see. So they made 1,000. This account made it all the way back. This account 900 profit, 600 profit, 500 profit, 50,000 profit. And yeah, there is people doing good, but as long as you're following the group, you should be making money. So let's just get that out of the way. So here's the choices. If you don't want to put up your own money, if you don't want to put up $1,000 to risk it, here are the choices. I recommend literally anyone to do a $20,000 account because, first off, it only costs 140 bucks. You get $20,000 funded to you by someone else's money. You got to make 8%, which is an easy day. You're trading, I would say, 5 lots, which is $5 per pip lots you'd be trading. And 8% of that, we go for 100 pips a day. That would take you 4 days roughly. 4 days minimum, probably like 20 days maximum if we're not having a good week. But that's for 8%. Then you do another, then you need, I believe, 5 lot. You need 200 pips to pass it if you're doing 5 lots. That's on a 20K account. And then you're making roughly 500 to 1,000 bucks a week for just spending $140, which this is refundable once you pass. And guys, by the way, this isn't sponsored. This is just my recommendations for new people trying the Forex market. You don't want to be putting 20 grand in an account when you don't know how to follow alerts, when you don't know anything about trading Forex, when you're new. So 20K, or for a 10K account funded, $84. And just so you know, the percentage that you get is 85% back. So say you make 1,000 a week, you're making $850 a week. Making 1,000 a week, you make $850, 2,000 a week, you're making what, I don't know, $1,700. Um, then yeah, you can go up to a 50K account. But what I recommend, you start with a 20K, spend 140 bucks, pass the challenge. When you start making money in the group, then you can, get to a better account. Go to like spend $500, get a 100K account. And let me tell you, you make 5% a month, which 5 to 10% a month is good. Okay, maybe even 20% a month. That's 10K a month. That's 5K a month. That's 2K a month. But for only investing $140, this is the move. Okay, then you grow, then you get this. Then you grow, then you get this. Then you're making 10K. Then you grow, then you get this. 20K a month for only $1,000 invested. After you only invested $140 to begin with, then you grow the account. Then you do it again. Grow the account. Do it again. So the initial investment, 140 bucks. Everything else should be profit. Or initial investment, 84 bucks. 5K. I mean, you can do 5K. You'd be trading one or two lots. Just because the reason I say one or two lots, right? You want to be able to do a 100 pip drawdown twice. Okay, so if you lose 100 pips and you do a 5 lot, you're only down $500 for the day. If you lose 100 pips and you do a 2.5 lot, you're only down $250 for the day. If you lose 100 pips and you do a 1.5 lot, you're only down 125 bucks for the day. So make sure, your daily drawdown is going to be, just say you divide this by 2, you get 500, and then you divide that by 100 pips. That's the lot size you want to do for your daily drawdown. So for all of these, divide this by 2, 5,000, divided by the pips, divided by, 5,000, divided by 100 pips, means you can trade a 50 lot, which is $50 a pip. Okay. So this is just a recommendation. You don't have to listen, but I am, the leader of this chat, and I think this would help you in the best way possible if you started with $140 invested or 85 bucks invested. Don't use your own money if you're new to trading. Use a funded account. Best way to look at it, best way to start, and best way to not destroy your life if you do something stupid. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And when I was trading, I didn't have this. I didn't know about this, and I'm just giving you guys the opportunity to have knowledge that I didn't have in the past, and I believe this will help you in the future. Hope you guys had a great one watching this. Hope this helped you in any way, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.